Hi, how you going? Nice to meet you and thanks for having me at this interview. My name is Eden McQueen and I'm a fourth year mechanical engineering student studying at UTS. I think diversity and inclusion are paramount in a workplace and I believe more needs to be done to incorporate people of different personalities and cultures. This can be applied to not just the work environment but the whole of society in general. I've seen this firsthand, where during my first internship, a new employee started that worked at one of our recycling facilities in Oberon, New South Wales. With their wealth of environmental sustainability knowledge, working as a process engineer of a recycling plant, they were able to explain to me how to creatively design conveyor parts so that they can incorporate recycled materials and minimise sheet metal wastage. With this employee's added inclusion into the workplace and the ethical practices he brought with him, I believe I became a better engineer because of it during that internship. When addressing social sustainability, diversity is important to encourage people of different cultures to enter the workplace and provide a fresh perspective. My current workplace just recently increased their social capital on a community scale by promoting intragenerational equity. They were approached by a mechanical engineer who had just moved to the area from India and was seeking employment. Once he went through the interview stage and was given a job, I was assigned to show him around the workplace and teach him the basics of what we do. By doing this, I thought I learnt so much of what he did in India and how different it was to working in Australia, allowing me to provide a good scale of what different workplaces are like in different countries. I also believe diversity and inclusion play a part in affecting economic sustainability in the workplace. By employing people who bring something new to the work environment, the business has the chance to grow into a more viable and equitable workplace. For example, when my previous company was dealing with Japanese suppliers and clients for conveyor systems, we were fortunate enough to have a Japanese-speaking engineer who was able to communicate efficiently across the world through email and phone, hence providing a successful business model and representing the importance of diversity and inclusion to further grow your business. So if I was to lead a project, developing a good team culture filled with diverse and unique individuals would be the forefront of my priorities. I just think that building a good foundation would be a start. So doing events such as team building, days before the project starts, where everyone completes challenges as a group would be important. This would assist in learning more about the people you are working with and what strengths and weaknesses they have. As in previous jobs, I've found that it's hard to collaborate with people who you know nothing about. To settle any frictions or disagreements within my team, I would assign a mediator to address each employee's concerns and note down why the issue arose. This would ensure a fair judgment of the situation, and if the issue is a larger and more important matter, I will deal with it myself as a manager, so I can discuss the pros and cons of each idea with the employees at length. Thank you. I hope to be hearing again from you soon.